Just got back from the paint shop and this thing looks sick. So first video I done showed y'all, it had the showed the bottom and all that. Well, it's all done now, so you can definitely see the color scheme that I'm going with. I'm obviously going to have graphics and everything too to kind of break up the colors that I went with, but I guess I won't hold off any longer. Here it is. Boom. You got race red. This is race red. Y'all can see how good that red. I may have to get it out in the sun, or I might get y'all a few other shots, but this red pops in the sun. These are the other pieces and all that. And that's the kind of comparison. You actually get some light hitting the two where you can see them together. Whereas right now the lip kind of hides how the silver looks and all that from the lights hitting it. But that's it. That's the color we've decided to go with. I ended up doing the jet pump too, so got it all painted up and everything. Should look good and everything with it. But now it's time for the assembly, so it's going to take a little bit of time. Will take my sweet little time. Unfortunately, the mat that I had ordered, I don't know if I've shown y'all in other videos, but it's red with the black diamond in the grooves, and it's just way too much red. So I'm going to probably sell that to somebody and order just a black, like diamond cut mat to kind of break it up, because obviously I got the black seat with a little bit of red on it too, but I got to do something to break it up. I mean, obviously the graphics is going to do that too, but I'm going to order those. I got a brand new, like I said, I got a brand new set of hydro turf that I'm going to have to sell to somebody. I'll make a deal if anybody wants it. So yeah, let's get this thing going.